Yo, you ever get a call back from that job?
Huh?
The job you interviewed for, bro.
Oh, I don't know. I don't answer unknown numbers.
You don't answer unknown numbers.
Hell no.
Even if it's a job offer?
Text me if it's that important.
Dude, check your voicemail, see if they left you.
Hi, Brendan. We're just calling about the potential job offer. You could give us a call back at your earliest.
Yeah, that's
Are you gonna call them back?
No, dude, I have phone anxiety.
Dude, it's a job offer. You need a job.
I don't like talking on the phone.
What is the job?
It's a call center.
A call center job? Dude, why would you apply for a call center job if you have a panic attack every time you talk on the phone?
I know, right?
Dude, what freaks you out so much about getting a call from unknown numbers?
Because what if I answer and it's like a scammer and they take all my information? Or worse, what if it's James calling from a new number and then I have to talk to James?
Shut the fuck up. Dude, it's probably them. Just answer it.
You need a Google Play gift card?
Oh, no. Hang up, dude. That's definitely a scam.
Yeah.
Maybe that job isn't for you.
Hey, where's the pizza? Didn't you order like 2 hours ago?
I don't know.
Let's call him.
No, I don't want